Good morning. It's Saturday morning. It's April 29th, something like that. Didn't have time to make a video this week, so just gonna show you what I'm doing. Frying up a few mushrooms I found a couple days ago, and got some stuff I gotta work on today. But tomorrow we're gonna go mushroom hunting back in Danville, where I used to live, and I have a lot of good spots there. So hopefully tomorrow we will bring you some good mushroom hunts. Alright, check it out. Here's the mushrooms I'm cooking up. Alright, make sure it's hot and go ahead and start throwing them on there. Don't get it that hot. Now I got a big mess to clean up in the wife's kitchen. Way to go, Brian. So we got a little garlic salt and black pepper, and I ran out of my favorite seasoning. So anyway, we'll see how these do here. So you can see how they flatten out and shrivel up. Hopefully we'll find some more tomorrow. We're going to the good spot tomorrow, so stay tuned. They're amazing. Alright, definitely worth mentioning that this entire video was made using YouTube Capture. It's a free app you can download. I made this whole video with my phone, so pretty neat, very quick way. I should have no excuses not to get some kind of video out to you guys once a week, so stay tuned.